Everyone, and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar, and today I will discuss about tokens in Python, which is also called anatomy of a programming language. That means if you know anatomy of a programming language, you would be aware that what statement or what component I am using. So let's start and gradually we will understand it. So basically in Python there are 5 types of tokens, and see that as definition you can see tokens are smallest individual units in Python program. So everything which is in Python, it is some kind of a token. So that is smallest individual unit like operator, variables, identifiers. So these are tokens. We will see that explicitly how many types of tokens. So everything in the Python which is built using tokens. That's why I told you that it is anatomy of Python. So basically Python has 5 types of tokens. The first one, keywords. Here I am underlining. So these are reserved words that is used for a special purpose by Python, or you can also use it, but they have a special purpose. You cannot use for other purpose. So the first one is are keywords. Let us see the second one, identifiers. These are, you can say that, names given to variables, functions and classes in other entities in Python, and these are called identifiers. Variable is one of, you can say that, kind of identifier. Third one, literals. These are fixed values such as numbers, strings and boolean values. So numbers like here 1, 2, 3, string like here in double quote, you can say that apple in double quote, these are literals. Boolean values, these are like true and false. So these are literals in Python. Operators. So operators are symbols used for a mathematical and logical expressions, and in the last video I explained you that expressions and we were using their operators. Like here if I write any expression x plus y plus 5 minus 6, so plus and minus, these are operators. These are operators. Now let us see punctuators. Punctuators are special symbols in Python, basically which are used to help structure the code. For example, colon is, you can say that, punctuator. Dot, these are punctuators. There are 5 kind of, you can say that, tokens in Python, and one should study in detail. Again recall that keywords, identifiers, literals and operators and punctuators. You can also use shortcut keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. Kilo. I will not recommend you to remember it, but K means keywords, I means identifiers, L means literals, O means operators, and P means punctuators. Let us see separately one by one. So keywords are predefined words in Python that have a special meaning. Let us see some keywords here: if, else, while, for, def, return, import, class, try, except, break, and continue. These are keywords in Python and they have a special meaning. You cannot use for other purpose. So let us see identifiers. So basically identifiers are used to give names. So like variables, functions, classes, and other objects in Python. Here there are some rules. If you want to use an identifier, so there are some rules. I will explain it. So an identifier must start with a letter or underscore. Second rule, it contains letter, digits, and underscore but cannot start with digit. That means I am writing underscore where. According to the first one, that is a valid identifier. But if I write one where, that is not valid identifier in Python because it is starting with digit. Digit can be another place, like here where 1, that is legal, but one where is not legal in Python. Means this is not a valid identifier in Python. Identifiers are case sensitive, meaning name and name that are different. That means here NAME and NAME. So these are two different identifiers. So identifiers are case sensitive. Python keywords cannot be used as identifier. So like if, else, here if, else, here it should be else, if, else, for, these cannot be used as identifier. So don't use yours. Now literal. So literal, basically a literal is a constant value assigned to a variable or used to directly in the code. Let us see some examples and thereafter we will understand. So numerical literals such as integers or floating point, string literals which are enclosed in quotes, Boolean literals. Let us see examples, thereafter we will move to the next slide. So numerical literals such as integers and floating point. So it is talking about integers like 3, floating point like 2.5. String literals that are enclosed in single or double quote. Here like I am writing Python in double quote. So that is string literal. Boolean literal, that is true and false. So these are the literals in Python. Let us understand operators. So operators are symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. And see that here arithmetic operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, which is denoted by star, and division. There are two kinds of division. The first one is division simply, and this is flow division. That means if double slash or backslash, so decimal part will get truncated. So arithmetic operators, relational operators. Relational operators means comparing values, return a boolean like greater than, less than, or equal to. Double equal to is used for equal to, and not equal to. These are relational operators that shows a relationship between two numbers or objects. Now logical operators. Logical operators like and, or, and not. These are logical operators in Python. Punctuators. Punctuators are special symbols used to structure Python code. So let us see some examples. Parentheses, brackets, braces, comma, colon, semicolon, and here like parentheses, this one, brackets, again brackets, braces like this one, comma like this one, colon, double dot, and semicolon. These are, you can say that, punctuators in Python. So hope you understood. For more resources, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co, and I need your support. If you are watching this video on YouTube, so subscribe YouTube channel so that you will get notification, and it will also motivate me to make more videos on Python programming, machine learning, and statistics, linear algebra, calculus. On these topics I make videos. It will also encourage me to make more videos and tutorials. Facebook page, you can follow Facebook page. Also you can follow LinkedIn page of PostNetwork Academy. So hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video.